Yeah, good morning. You the wrong way?
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw you arrive, but I came now.
I gave it to somebody else.
You push over there. Put a mop in front of the garage. I don't know how to ride it.
Huh?
I don't know how to ride it.
YouTube. Open the garage.
No, just leave here. I cover it. Yeah.
All right.
All right, thank you.
Have a nice day, sir.
You too, thank you.
Hey, man, good.
Oh, it started.
They got a little bit of gas too. You too.